Hello and a very good morning to all interviewers. My name is Muhammad Adib Adnan and I am currently a second year chemical engineering student from UiTM Shah Alam. Based on my studies in this field, I've built a solid foundation in fundamentals of chemical engineering principles, process design and safety system, which interests me in process and sustainability in this field. I was involved in many projects which brought exposure to hands-on experience in testing and troubleshooting the engineering equipment. Furthermore, I contribute with the project team to handling the customers by observing the quality control of the company's product, and we successfully handle it. Moreover, in my academic journey, I have previously participated in Chemical Engineering Student Society where I handled the program which involved with all chemical engineering students which intend to improve the connection between chemical engineering students with the cooperation between my teams. The programs were handled successfully, which reached the aim of the program. As from this past experience, it helped me expand in communication skills between team members and interpersonal skills that may deal with the audience. In my past experience, I handle stress or pressure by maintaining a clear focus of the work or task by taking the closure deadline task as a priority. It is often to feel pressure, especially as a chemical engineering student, in finishing tasks such as project assessment, examination, and lab research. However, based on all previous experience, it has taught me the important breakdown the large tasks into management steps and the importance of time management by creating a simple but detailed schedules that can keep me in track and the tasks that will prevent me from overrush. In addition, it is important to always communicate with team members when an unexpected event happens during the conducting of the project. From in my internship experience, I communicated with my team members to inform them about the issues that happen during the testing or troubleshooting the equipment, which help to find the solution together and organize the timeline of the project without affecting the outcomes of the project. In my preference, I am comfortable working both independently and in a team depending on certain tasks. In my opinion, working in a team is important, especially when working on big projects that involve the designing process flow or handling production issues. It is important to always communicate with others, especially in share or listening to other viewpoints in discussing the best solution or method in conducting the project or process flow. It will help produce the best result of the project. By working independently, it will help me make a good decision and solve the problems independently, especially during critical time. For example, in the previous project that I contribute with my team in Sustainable Development Goals SDG event, I was responsible as a presenter the project to the audience, which I made my own method or style presentation of the project in professional way. In a role like process development engineer, I believe success depends on being able to work independently when needed, but also knowing how to contribute effectively as a part of team, and I am confident in doing both. As a pressure engineer field, I learned how raw materials can be processed into useful products through a certain principle which brought me to the idea that chemical engineers plays a key role in improving process to make them safer, more efficient, and more sustainable that will give the benefits to society. What excites me most is the impact this field that involves in optimizing a chemical process, reducing waste, or developing safer methods of production. During my studies and internship, I've seen how chemical engineering is not just about theoretical, but it's about solving real world problems, which is something I find very motivating. The process development engineer role at Prime Chem really aligns with what I enjoy, especially in continuous improvement, innovation, and working on solutions that have practical, measurable outcomes. I see this field as a meaningful way to contribute to industries that are essential to society, and that what drives me. I am eager to contribute to your company with the confidence in my ability and experience for this role.